Here's how to create and activate a Geometry Dash account on a mobile device in just 2 minutes. Today I will show you a step-by-step guide so you can start using online features like cloud saves, level uploads, and account syncing. First, open Geometry Dash on your phone and tap the gear icon to open settings. Next, tap Account, then More, and select Account Management. This will open the official Geometry Dash Account Manager website in your browser, which is the recommended place to create a new account. Once the page loads, tap Register to open the registration form. Next, enter a unique username that isn't already taken. Then, create a password and enter it again to confirm. After that, type a valid email address that has never been used for another Geometry Dash account. When everything is filled in, you'll see a captcha near the bottom of the page. Complete the captcha and then select the registration button to submit your information. Now, wait for the confirmation message telling you that your account has been created and that an activation email has been sent. Open your email inbox and look for the Geometry Dash activation email. If you don't see it after a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder before trying again. Once you find the email, open it and click the activation link. Your browser will display a confirmation page showing that your account has been activated successfully. Once your account is activated, return to Geometry Dash and open Settings, then Account and tap Login. Enter the username and password you just created and sign in. You should see that your account is now logged in and giving you access to online features. If you have trouble creating the account because your email is rejected, make sure you're using an email address that has never been registered with Geometry Dash before. Using the official account manager website instead of the in-game registration screen also helps avoid common registration issues. Once everything is set, your Geometry Dash account will be activated and log in on your phone, allowing you to save progress, sync data, upload levels, and use other online features. Following these simple steps makes creating a Geometry Dash account on mobile quick and easy.